In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text from ChatGPT into Microsoft Word and remove unwanted background formatting. If you've ever pasted text from ChatGPT into Word and noticed that the background color, strange spacing, or unusual formatting came along with it, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and the good news is that it's easy to fix. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to paste your text cleanly from the start and also how to correct it if you've already pasted it with the wrong formatting. First, copy the text you want to use from ChatGPT. Make sure you select everything you need before copying, especially if the response includes multiple paragraphs or headings. Taking a moment here helps avoid missing parts of the text and saves time later. Next, open Microsoft Word and go to the document where you want the text to appear. Once you're in the right place, right-click exactly where you want to paste the content. This is important because Word gives you different paste options depending on how you insert the text. From the right-click menu, choose Keep Text Only. This option removes most of the original styling and pastes just the plain text into your document. That means no colored background, no unusual font settings, and fewer formatting problems overall. This is usually the fastest and cleanest method if your goal is to match the style of your Word document. If you've already pasted the content and the background formatting is still there, you can still clean it up. Simply highlight the pasted text so that Word knows exactly which section you want to fix. Then click Clear Formatting in Word. This removes the extra styling that came over with the pasted content and gives you a more neutral starting point. After that, adjust the font, spacing, and headings manually. This step gives you full control over how the document looks. You can match the rest of your file, make headings more consistent, and improve readability. It's a good idea to check line spacing and paragraph breaks as well, since pasted text can sometimes look slightly uneven even after formatting is cleared. Once everything looks clean and organized, save the document. This ensures you keep the corrected version and don't lose your edits, and that's it. You now know how to move text from ChatGPT into Microsoft Word without bringing along unwanted background formatting.